Raising happy kids in 2025 is all about balance and connection. First, prioritize emotional intelligence. Teach them to express their feelings and understand others. This fosters empathy and resilience. Next, embrace technology, but set boundaries. Encourage creativity through coding or digital art, while ensuring they unplug for family time. Promote outdoor play. Nature is a fantastic mood booster. Schedule regular family adventures, hiking, biking, or just exploring your neighborhood. And don't underestimate the power of routines. Kids thrive on predictability, so establish daily rituals that include time for chores, homework, and fun. Lastly, model happiness yourself. Show them how to find joy in the little things, whether it's cooking together or simply laughing at a silly joke. Happy kids come from happy homes, so let's create that environment together. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences or tips to share, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more parenting tips and strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.